What is up, YouTube? Yeah, how's it going? For those of you who may not know me, I am an internet superstar. Lambdog76 here. I've been around a long time. I made my bones in the YouTube firearm community, which is an area of YouTube and the internet based quite a bit on some good freedom-loving people, and I've branched out into philosophy and political commentary. This particular video will serve as a combination of the latter, and the subject, of course, is wiretapping by the United States government outside of the due process of law. I would like to offer up my opinion on it, why I think it's bad, how it is being allowed, and what I think is good about what's going on currently as this video is produced. If you're watching this video at a later time, what had happened is an American contractor working for the United States and the National Security Agency ended up releasing to the press about the process that the United States government was taking in tapping people's phones and monitoring conversations and the text messages and things like that. And as of the posting of this video, quite a few people are outraged, people who didn't know about this situation otherwise. What happens is there was what's called the NDAA, which is the National Defense Authorization Act, and within that NDAA are certain allowances that the government figured, for the reasons of emergency, that roving wiretaps outside of the due process of law is good. Detainment outside of the due process of law is allowed under this same guideline, okay? The purpose of due process of law isn't, let me be clear, is not to harbor or protect criminals in their acts of mischief, okay? The purpose of the due process of law is to protect the innocent, flat out. And there are things that people talk to each other under the matter of privacy that can be misinterpreted, misused, and really serve as a bridge to tyranny. If I'm talking about something to my friend and some overzealous American agent overhears our conversation and thinks that we're using metaphors or codes or whatever, and then prosecutes us or pursues us, flips our houses, searches our houses, that is not good. And that is what these roving wiretaps lead to. It takes an investigation out of context. And no person of authority can sit there and tell me that in this day and age of technology that it's not possible or convenient to establish a correct due process of law. Meaning you do not begin to initiate investigation without correct evidence approved by a judge or whatever. You just don't freaking do it. And it's not hard to get court orders these days. They got judges on call 24 hours a day. It's not hard to get a search warrant correctly. It's bizarre to me. It's so fast that I'm almost tempted to make a video complaining about how fast that has become. So there's no reason whatsoever to be able to go into a house without achieving a search warrant. There's a reason for these processes. And to go against them when it's so easy to do things the right way is very, very suspicious. Those are my thoughts on this particular subject, and I appreciate your time and watching, and I hope everyone is doing well. We'll see y'all later.